Now, I want to maybe react to something that was said earlier by Honorable Michael Makwe in the launching of the media campaign, when he said that the opposition were raising the issue of federalism during the discussion. However, they never talked about the nature of federalism. Well, let me correct this, and Comrade Honorable Minister Richard K. Muller was actually part of IO at the time. What we presented during the talks in 2014 with regards to federalism, we have presented down to the competencies, the devolution of power, the power share, the resource sharing, to the percentages. One of our principles is that resources belong to the level of government where they are found. And that level of government is the one to allocate to the other levels, whether levels at the same level, for example, in a state that is an oil producing, that oil belongs to that state.